Let's face it, none of us venture into the world of business with a burning desire to dive headfirst into bookkeeping. However, the truth remains that bookkeeping is the lifeblood of any businesses, and without it, most ventures are destined for a rocky road. So, let's delve into the fundamentals of bookkeeping for small businesses. Exploring what it is, why it's crucial, and how you can tackle it without breaking a sweat. What is bookkeeping and why does it matter? In simple terms, bookkeeping is the systematic process of recording, categorizing, and organizing financial information within an accounting system. The ultimate goal is to generate reports that offer valuable insight for making sound financial decisions. In essence, it's all about keeping a record of past financial data to steer the future business choices. Now, let's break down the bookkeeping process into 6 straightforward steps. Step number 1, gather source documents. Source documents are the original records for each transaction, like invoices, sales order, or receipts. These documents contain essential details such as dates, buyer, and seller information, transaction amounts, and a description of the product or service provided. For a cash transaction, retaining physical receipt is crucial as they won't appear on bank or credit card statement. Step number 2, categorize your transactions. Transactions are classified into 5 main categories: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Further subcategories exist within this, like inventory under asset. Categorizing info either by which category a transaction belongs to each cash as an asset or payroll as a liability. Step number 3, reconcile your transaction. Reconciliation is the process of matching transactions on your bank statement with those in your accounting software. This helps detect errors, preventing double accounting or missed transactions. It starts with ensuring the beginning balance match your accounting software. Step number 4, prepare financial statement. The data you have collected categories and reconcile service as the foundation for financial statement. The three main types are balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow. The balance sheet displays assets, liability, and equity. The income statement reveals revenue and expenses, and the cash flow statement tracks cash flow from operation, financing, and investing. Step number 5, read your financial statement. Understanding and leveraging financial statements is crucial for business success. The balance sheet structures follow the formula: assets equal liability plus equity. Assets are listed in order of liquidity with cash at the top. Liabilities are divided into current and long-term, encompassing debts and obligations. Equity represents our asset and includes retained earnings. The income statement encompasses revenue, expenses, and net income, profit or loss. The cash flow statement tracks cash movement in operation, financing, and investing activities. Step 6, make decisions based on data. The ultimate purpose of bookkeeping is to provide data for informed decision making. Your balance sheet shows liquidity and sustainability. The income statement reflects your company's operation performance. Cash flow statement informs you about available cash. Using this insight, you can optimize your business strategies, pricing, and expenditure, boost profitability. In essence, bookkeeping can be your secret weapon in achieving a more profitable year than last. Having accurate data and your finger spirit empower you to make smarter decisions that can steer your business towards success. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking the video and subscription to our channel. We're here to provide you with more insights, rules, save on taxes, and help your business thrive. I'm Evan, and I'll catch you in the next video. Hula la 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 la, 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 hula la 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 la. Hula la 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 la, 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 hula la 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 la. Hula la 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 la, 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 hula la 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 la. Hula la 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 la, 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 hula la 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 la. Hula la 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 la, 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 hula la 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 la. Hula la 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 la, 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 hula la 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 la. Hula la 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 la, 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 hula la 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 la. Hula la 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 la, 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 hula la 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 la.